Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Annalisa Aquino Rapisora and I am 41 years old. I am the eldest in 3 siblings and I have my 3 kids, ages 21, 19, 17. I'm proud to be an OFW in Middle East, Kuwait for 9 years in one employer and 2 years in my second employer. Ma'am and sir, I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and loyal, and independent. And I hope that you choose me, and I will promise that I will do my job well, and I treat you, my family, as my own family. My work is ironing, washing clothes, cooking, and I love taking care of kids and also pet. And you can trust me about your kids. I will treat them as my own kids. Mom and sir, I hope that you choose me and I'm looking forward to work with you and I promise that I will do my job well. Have a nice day. God bless.